Resetting network settings on your T-Mobile device restores the default configurations for cellular data, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and VPN connections. It clears any corrupted settings caused by OS updates or app conflicts. This process is fundamental for troubleshooting connectivity issues like slow speeds, dropped calls, or APN mismatches specific to T-Mobile's network. Consider resetting your network settings if you experience connectivity drops, especially in rural areas. This can also help with issues that appear after software updates. Slow data speeds are another reason to try resetting network settings, and problems with call quality can often be resolved this way. It's a good first step before resorting to a factory reset, which erases all your data. T-Mobile's support data shows a significant increase in network setting-related issues, making this a common troubleshooting step. Before resetting network settings, it's essential to back up your important data as a precaution. While the reset itself doesn't directly affect personal files like contacts and photos, backing them up ensures safety against any unexpected issues. For iOS devices like iPhone or iPad, back up your contacts and photos to iCloud. Make sure iCloud backup is enabled and consider doing a manual backup now. For Android devices, back up your contacts and photos to Google Drive. Check that your Google account sync is enabled for these items. Also, make sure you remember or have access to your Wi-Fi passwords, as you'll need to re-enter them after the network settings reset. To reset network settings on your iPhone or iPad, start by opening the Settings app. Once in Settings, tap on the General option to access device settings. Scroll down in the General menu and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone to access reset options. In the Reset menu, tap on Reset to see the available reset options. From the Reset options, select Reset Network Settings to clear all network configurations. Enter your passcode if prompted to confirm the reset. Your device will restart automatically. After it restarts, you'll need to reconnect to your Wi-Fi networks. Step 1. Open the Settings app. Locate and tap the Settings app on your home screen or app drawer. Step 2. Navigate to General Management. The name might vary slightly depending on your Android version. Step 3. Tap Reset. Select the Reset option from the menu. Step 4. Select Reset Network Settings. Choose the option to reset network settings specifically. Step 5. Confirm the reset. Confirm your choice and the device will restart automatically. After the reset, your device will restart. Reconnect to Wi-Fi and check your cellular data connection. Note that this may also reset Bluetooth connections. If problems persist after resetting network settings, try restarting your device to ensure all changes take effect. Next, ensure your device has the latest software updates installed, as these often include network fixes. If you're still experiencing issues, contact T-Mobile support through the app or by calling 611 for personalized assistance. In some cases, the issue may be related to T-Mobile's network coverage in your specific area, requiring additional investigation. For persistent issues that aren't resolved by basic resets, consider checking T-Mobile's community forums for device-specific solutions shared by other users. Current trends point towards AI-driven resets becoming more common. In 2025, T-Mobile introduced AI-assisted troubleshooting features in their app, enabling automated diagnostics that can prompt or guide network resets without manual intervention. Looking ahead to 2030, blockchain technology may be integrated for secure setting backups, reducing the need for manual resets through proactive firmware updates. Remember to keep your devices updated to ensure compatibility with T-Mobile's expanding 5G ultra-capacity network, which reached 300 million customers by early 2026.